Shortcut, shortcut, shortcut. Shortcut, shortcut, shortcut. Uh-oh. I can't move. I'm stuck.
Hey, that sounds like Crusher.
Oh no! Crusher tried to cheat, and now he's stuck.
Get me out of here!
Don't worry, Crusher. We'll pull you out.
Oh, it's no use. I'm gonna be stuck in here forever.
Man, Crusher is really stuck. To get him out, we need a machine with super pulling power.
Looks like we need to become a tow truck. To build a tow truck, first, we need the hook and cable. To make the hook and cable, say, hook and cable. Hook and cable! Next, we need the telescoping boom. It moves the hook and cable up and down. To make the telescoping boom, say, telescoping boom. Telescoping boom! Now we just need the winch. It winds up the cable so our tow truck can pull. To make the winch, say winch. Winch! Oh yeah! I'm a tow truck monster machine!
All right! Let's get pulling!
It's working! Huh. Wonder what that noise was. Oh, it's just a bunch of grizzly bears. A bunch of grizzly bears? Ah! Blaze! Hurry!
Tow truck power!
Sorry, bears. Looks like you can't get me now. I was wrong. Let's get out of here!
Crusher, look! You made those bananas fall, and now some of the bears are sliding off the track.
Huh. Good job by me.
Check it out! There were 6 bears chasing us, but 2 of them slipped on the bananas. How many bears are still chasing us? 4! Yeah!
Nice bears! Nice bears!
Look! A coconut tree!
Those coconuts could make the track slippery.
I'll handle this.
3 more bears slipped on the coconuts.
Check it out! There were 4 bears chasing us, and 3 slipped. How many bears are left? 1! Right! There's just 1 last bear!
Oh no, it can't be. That sounds like the kissing bear! Please, do something!
Look! A mango tree! We did it! Woo-hoo-hoo! Now there are no more bears!
Phew, that's a relief. Well, let's get back to the race.
Hang on, Crusher. Remember, if we want to win, we can't do any more cheating.
No more cheating, but okay, fine.
Come on, team! Let's hurry so we can catch up with the other racers!
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Blaze and the Monster Machines YouTube channel for new videos every week.